Hello guys, I'm Zmiza and I'm going to show you how to update Discord on Arch Linux, because if you used Arch Linux before and you have downloaded Discord from the repo or used Yay or anything to download it, when you open it you could see it wants you to update it, but you can because there's an Ubuntu and the tar.gz file that you can't use on Arch Linux or neither on Manjaro, anything like that. So you have to go, I figure it out, and OK. Then you have to go to your files, and in primary you have to select opt. There's Discord, or you can just search up where's your Discord file in where is it? NNN. You open NNN and you can just search up for Discord. So select Discord, go to resources, build underscore info.json, and you can just select any writing programs on your Arch. I just usually use KWrite, and this is really funny because you have to manually select a newer version. So you have to write 24 if there's 23, if there's 24 you have to write 25, and you just can save it, enter your password, and it shall work. Yeah, it should work now. Thank you guys for watching.